Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about BlueCrew, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you set up direct deposit payment information in BlueCrew? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up direct deposit with your BlueCrew app anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're picking up shifts with BlueCrew, you know that normally you're going to receive a paper check, but if you set up direct deposit, it'll go directly into your bank. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the BlueCrew app. It's this purple and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my BlueCrew app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my BlueCrew app. This is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to set up your direct deposit, you need to click on this hamburger menu here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and to enroll in direct deposit, you need to click on this button here called earnings. It looks like a little bank icon next to it. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see your recent timesheet in BlueCrew. However, to set up your direct deposit, you need to click on this button here called payments. Okay, so once you do that, you can do direct deposit a couple of different things. You can click right here and activate direct deposit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and have to log into your bank account using Plaid. Once you go through there, if you don't see your bank there for some reason, you need to go back. Okay, here we are back on the payment screen. So you click here if you bank with one of the large banks. If your bank doesn't show up in there for some reason, click right here on this one. It says click here to manually add your account information. Okay, so here you can go ahead and manually add your banking information. So you'll type the name of the bank here. All right, and then you want to choose the account type, and then you're going to need to put the routing number and then the account number, and then re-enter the account number to verify it. Okay, the page refreshes. Down here it says direct deposit info saved. So now BlueCrew does have my banking information, so rather than sending me a paper check for my payment, I will get it directly into my bank account. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to set up direct deposit in your BlueCrew app, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.